So in my stories on Instagram this week, I had just taken a shot at the back of the car. I'd been out modelling some clothes for Ancient Earth, and there was a shot of A.L.F. So I don't know how many of you remember A.L.F, but this random picture of A.L.F seemed to, I don't know, breed a lot of excitement, and everyone was like, A.L.F. So I thought I would talk about A.L.F and why he lives in my car. So A.L.F is from a sort of like a comedic family series from the late 80s. So it ran from 1986 to 1990. And he crashed into the garage of the Tanner family. And his name, A.L.F, actually stands for alien life form. Not a lot of people know that, although when you learn that, it seems kind of obvious. And A.L.F absolutely loved eating cats. So very, very funny. We used to watch it as kids. I can't really remember much of it, so I'm going to be watching it soon. And basically, A.L.F lives in my car because the car that I drive belonged to my husband's father. So he unfortunately passed away in 2016 of cancer, of a brain tumour, and we were left the car to use, and it's currently the vehicle that I drive. So A.L.F has remained in the car. He used to be stuck to the window. He had some suckers on his feet as well, but I thought I would move him down into the seat next to me. And I very much feel that A.L.F protects me, just my husband's father protects me and keeps me safe. So in this way, he's kind of an amulet, really. I mean, I don't wear him, but he travels with me. So, and I don't travel very far, just little journeys, but that's the thing, isn't it? Most crashes and things like that happen close to home. So he just keeps me company on my travels. So I thought I would talk a little bit about amulets, charms and talismans and what the difference is, because many people get confused. So an amulet offers protection. A charm attracts good luck, generally, good fortune, and a talisman is something that it's representative of something, and it draws a particular benefit or power to something. So the way to describe that would be like if you had a bear's claw and you wore that around your neck, you might have that bear's claw because you want to draw the power or the strength or perhaps the protection of the bear, because the bear is large, the bear is fierce, the bear will fight, and the bear is strong and has big claws and will protect you. So if you had, or a bear tooth, you might wear for those very same qualities. So that is the difference. An amulet is something that offers protection. That could be worn, so it could be worn around the neck, it could be carried, it could be something that you have in your car. A charm attracts good luck, and many people consider things that they've found to be charms. So quite often that would be natural things. So you might find a really unusual looking stone on the beach and you decide, oh yeah, that's lucky, I'm going to keep that. That would be a charm. And then a talisman would be something that draws or attracts or brings a particular energy or trait or power or characteristic to you for some sort of goal. Then you get things that kind of have more than one use, or benefit. So I'm thinking of apotropaic magic here. So for example, a horseshoe is seen to sort of bring good luck if you hang it the right way, and that's a whole other conversation. Because I am a Raddle man. I live in the only part in the country that hangs their horseshoes upside down. So apotropaic magic, a horseshoe would attract good luck, but also is seen as a protective thing, protective symbol, protective item as well. And another apotropaic item on a similar vein is horse brasses. So they again are considered to draw good luck, good fortune. They're a good thing to have. But also they are generally hung on the chimney breast to protect a household. So apotropaic magic, they simultaneously do two things. I have other items that I carry as well, and I'm wondering what you guys have. I am sure that a lot of you will have either an amulet, a charm or a talisman. or several, and I'd love to hear what you have. So you will have seen these before, probably in my videos, my Instagram videos, but we're gaining new followers all the time, which is brilliant. So I'm just going to show you what I keep on me. So in my purse, I have this little plastic soldier, and this was given to me the first time I met my husband on the first date, and he gave that to me to protect me, to carry with me. He was a soldier for 24 years. So I've carried this little plastic soldier in my purse for 11 years nearly now. What else do I have? I have an oak ghoul, which I absolutely love, represents the sort of the powers and the characteristics and the energies of the oak tree. So strength, and I think sort of tenaciousness, but it reminds me of home because I live somewhere that has the name oak in. So what else have I got? I've also got a little piece of fluorite, I think that is. My husband's got one, have a feeling he's lost his, but anyway, I've got that in my purse. And I've also got a little, I think it might be amethyst, I'm not entirely sure. I've got a little amethyst cat, but I only acquired that the other day. My husband bought that for me in a little shop we were in. So I carry those all the time in my purse. I've also got some photographs as well that I kind of like almost feel are protective. I've got this piece of paper, may your hands be as warm as your heart. Well, this was tied to some lovely mittens, some sort of like Norwegian, Scandinavian super warm mittens that my husband bought me, and I've kept this ever since. That was from our first Christmas. So again, I've had this 11 Christmases. And I also have a picture of my daughter. I have a picture of my best friend's dad, who is no longer with us and hasn't been for a very, very long time. But my friend gave me this and said that he would protect me. So I've got a picture of him, and I've got, you know, pictures of family and stuff. But I also have a picture of my granddad, who I've carried in my wallet for years now. I can't even remember how many years now. He's been gone about 15 years this year. So yeah, I guess I have lots of sort of like little protective things, or things that have been given to me by loved ones that just sort of, yeah, I feel like improve my life or just lend me certain energies and certain sort of benefits. I also have somewhere, I'm just pulling apart my cooker. I also have, in my bag, I have a little green bag full of bits and bobs. I thought I got it out ready. Don't tell me I've lost it. Hang on a second. It's very unprofessional of me to not have it all ready. I thought I did. It's probably on the side here. Oh yeah, there it is. It's ready. Hang on a minute. I just can't see. This is actually a really, really dark room. So the light is coming in the big window, and there's two others. But actually the surfaces and the rest of the room are actually quite dark, because obviously it's in bulk, it's February. And we just haven't got to that part of the year yet where the room is full of light. Even with lights, it's so dark in my house. Even with special sort of like proper lighting lights for making content, it's so dark. So I have a metal goddess that was given to me years ago by a friend. And on the back it says, life is a promise, fulfill it. And that has really resonated with me a lot recently. Obviously I've been very lucky in that some opportunities have come up, but it's having the guts and the bravery to go for it despite having quite an awful set of personal circumstances at the moment. I mean, obviously there's much of my life that is very, very good and I'm very grateful for, and I'm very lucky. Like, I have nothing to complain about, but there is stuff that stops me from doing things, and I don't tend to share that. I share obviously my health struggles, and really that's the biggest issue. So, but yeah, I've had this rattling around in my head for quite a long time now. Life is a promise, fulfill it. And I promised myself that I would try and do that. I would find a way. I also have a jade cat that, again, I've had for years now. I can't even remember when I acquired this, where I got it from, who I got it from, why I've got it, but it's just something that I carry. I do love cats though, which is, you know, explains why I've got 2 cats in my crystal cats in my purse. And I have a piece of rose quartz as a reminder to myself to love myself and accept myself, and that, you know, I am me and I'm fine just the way I am. So, and to be fair, these go in my bag and I forget that I've got them, but I guess it's just, you know, the energy. I know they're in there, they're doing their job, but then I kind of forget that they're there. But that's how the best magic sort of works anyway. So yeah, those are just some of the little odds and ends that I carry. And then yeah, good old A.L.F, who keeps me company in the car. So please tell me if you have any charms, amulets and talismans. Tell me what you've got, what they do for you. Of course, only if you feel that this is, you know, you want to share. You don't have to share